Hello, dear friends. I hope you're all doing great and staying happy and healthy. Have you ever felt like you've done so many things in life, tried different paths, worked hard, and even achieved some success, yet something still feels incomplete? Like there's always a missing piece, even after all the running around? You wake up, go through your routine, fulfill your responsibilities, but deep inside, a quiet voice keeps saying, "This isn't it." Something's still missing. That emptiness, that feeling of incompleteness, is not because you haven't done enough, it's because you haven't connected with something deeper. We often search for peace outside in relationships, jobs, travel, or money. But true peace is never outside. It lies within you. Hidden. Silent. Waiting. And today's video is all about that exact thing you've been searching for. So if you've ever felt this kind of emptiness, this video is made just for you. Just sit back, relax, and let your heart listen. Today, we are going to talk about a powerful yet invisible energy that exists not only inside us but throughout this entire universe. This energy is not some fantasy or magic, it's very real. It's the driving force behind your thoughts, your decisions, your actions, and even your destiny. And yet, most people live their entire lives without ever realizing its presence. We go through life reacting to situations, blaming others or luck, while the true power lies quietly within us, untapped. It's like having a treasure chest in your home but never opening it because you didn't know it was there. This energy is the root of intuition, inner strength, and clarity. It connects you with the universe, with your purpose, and with your higher self. And when we learn to activate it, life starts to flow more smoothly, with meaning and direction. That's exactly what we are diving into today. If you learn to recognize this energy and direct it with intention, it can completely transform your life. Not just in small ways, but in ways you never even imagined were possible. Suddenly, things that once felt difficult will start flowing effortlessly. Your goals, your dreams, they'll start feeling closer and more achievable. But here's the thing, you don't need to be some spiritual guru or monk to access this power. You just need awareness, consistency, and belief. Transformation always begins from within, never from the outside world. You are more powerful than you realize. And today, we are going to uncover the key to tapping into that power. So don't skip even a second, this might just be the shift you've been waiting for. Before we begin, here's an important life lesson to remember. If you don't have the courage to change yourself, then you don't have the right to blame your fate or even God. Because real change always starts inside you, not outside. It doesn't start with winning the lottery or someone coming to rescue you. It begins the moment you decide to take responsibility for your life. When you own your power, that's when miracles start to happen. Your energy shifts. The world responds. And slowly, you begin to see a new version of yourself, a stronger, clearer you. So ask yourself, am I willing to grow? Am I ready to wake up to my own power? If the answer is yes, you're already on the right path. Maybe you've already tried various things: manifestation, visualization, positive thinking. And yet, nothing seems to work. You start feeling disappointed, right? You begin to think, maybe this just isn't for me. Maybe it works only for others. But what if I told you it's not the methods that failed, it's just the timing? Everything in nature has a perfect time. A seed planted in winter won't bloom until spring. And the same applies to your thoughts and intentions. They need the right timing, the right energy space to grow. And that's what most people miss. They keep doing the right things, but at the wrong times. Today, we'll uncover that missing key. Because once you understand when to act, everything begins to change. Today's topic is Brahma Muhurta, a sacred and powerful time that has the ability to turn your thoughts into reality. Brahma Muhurta is a special window of time between 3:40 am and 5:30 am when the universe and the soul are in perfect balance. During this period, the cosmic vibrations are at their highest purity, and your subconscious mind becomes incredibly open and receptive. This is the time when your deepest desires can travel into the universe like arrows with full force. It's like having a direct line to the energy source of the universe. Many ancient traditions and spiritual systems have emphasized this time for meditation and prayer. Even science shows that early morning brain activity is sharper and more creative. This is your moment of silence, clarity, and deep connection. And if you learn how to use it, it will transform your life. You may have heard that when thoughts reach your subconscious mind, they become unstoppable. The subconscious doesn't filter like your logical mind, it believes what it receives, especially at certain times. But the real question is, when is that exact moment when the subconscious mind is most open? Most people assume it's right after waking up, and while that's partly true, there's more to it. There is a brief window when you wake up suddenly where the barrier between your conscious and subconscious mind is thinnest. That's when your thoughts can enter your core without resistance. This moment is precious. It's pure. And it's where the magic lies. It lasts only a few minutes, but its effect can ripple throughout your entire day. If you learn to use this small window wisely, it can reprogram your entire life. And this is what Brahma Muhurta offers you every single morning. Let's talk about the exact time now. Brahma Muhurta falls between 3:40 am to 5:30 am. In Sikhism, it's called Amrit Vela, the nectar time. During these hours, everything around you is calm. Nature is still. Your surroundings are quiet, your mind is free from daily stress, and the universal energies are at their highest alignment. You can feel the difference in the air, it's lighter, purer, almost divine. This isn't just poetic talk, even yogic and Ayurvedic texts recommend this time for meditation. It's said that during Brahma Muhurta, your mind absorbs spiritual practices much faster. Your thoughts become more focused, your emotions more stable, and your connection to your higher self becomes clearer. If you ever wondered when is the best time to meditate or manifest, this is it. And it's available to you every single day. So here are two very simple techniques you can use during Brahma Muhurta. First method. Wake up during Brahma Muhurta and sit quietly, even if it's on your bed. Sit in Gyan Mudra, a simple hand gesture symbolizing wisdom, and repeat the following statement for 10 minutes. There is no lack of money in my life. Everything I do is going smoothly. My income is consistently increasing. My career and business are growing beautifully. I am deeply thankful to the Supreme Power for all this. As you say this, close your eyes and visualize the life of your dreams. See your family happy, see yourself feeling content, and completely immerse in that joy. Let the vision play like a movie in your mind. The more emotion you pour into it, the stronger it becomes. Don't just think it, feel it. That's how thoughts become reality. Second method. Spend just 11 minutes chanting the name of your god or deity. It can be any name that resonates with your faith: Ram, Krishna, Allah, Jesus, whoever feels close to your heart. After that, clearly say your biggest wish out loud 3 times. For example, I want a beautiful house of my own. Make sure your mind is clean and focused before doing this. It's best to do it before eating anything, even if you haven't bathed. What matters more is your intention and emotional clarity. You don't need perfection, you need pure feelings. Start small, but stay consistent. Your devotion will bring the change. In the beginning, it might feel a little difficult. Waking up early isn't easy. But trust me, as you continue this process, the effects will begin to show. Even the people I guided with this method saw results within a day or two. Sometimes the changes are subtle, like better mood or sudden clarity. And sometimes they're dramatic, like long-awaited goals suddenly moving forward. Real transformation always happens gradually but deeply. So don't expect overnight miracles, give it time and faith. Be patient, be consistent, and stay open. What you send out to the universe comes back multiplied. It always listens, especially in Brahma Muhurta. This method doesn't just send your thoughts into the universe, it lets those thoughts take root deep within you. You begin to rewire your beliefs, your mindset, and even your emotional patterns. And the best part? Anyone can do this. No matter your age, background, or religion, you don't need money, fancy tools, or years of experience. You just need dedication and a sincere heart. This is inner work, and it pays off more than anything external ever will. It builds peace, purpose, and inner confidence. You'll start to feel a shift in how you think and how you respond to life. This is real, this is powerful, and it's 100% accessible. And it starts with a simple decision to try. So friends, today you learned how waking up during Brahma Muhurta and doing a few simple practices can completely transform your thoughts, destiny, and future. You've been given a golden tool now. It's up to you to use it. Even if you start with just one step, you're moving forward. So don't wait for perfect timing, create it every morning. Change doesn't come from outside, it comes from within. And when you change your energy, your entire world begins to reflect that change. Let this be the turning point in your journey. Let this be the moment where your new life begins. Stay committed. Stay awakened. And let the universe show you what's truly possible. If you're ready for this journey, comment below. I love universe. So we know you're joining us in this beautiful path of transformation. If you found this video inspiring and informative, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Maybe your share becomes the reason someone else's life changes too. That's the beauty of spreading knowledge, it multiplies goodness. Remember, the universe moves when you move with faith. When you send your thoughts out with belief and love, the universe responds with magic. That's not just hope, it's a cosmic law. So let's walk together into a more awakened, fulfilled life. We'll meet again soon with another mysterious and enlightening topic. Until then, stay happy, stay aware. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Thank you.